Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to log into HelloFresh account online on our computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into HelloFresh account online on our computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address hellofresh.com and on enter, and of that you'll be directed to the home page of HelloFresh. Now in order to sign into your account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the login button available for us. Click on that login button, and over here guys you can see the place to enter your email address or your password. You can also log into your HelloFresh account with your Google, Apple or your Facebook account. If you want to, if you click on either of these buttons where it says the sign in with Google or Apple or Facebook, a login page to Google or Apple or Facebook will open, and if you log into your respective accounts, you'll be logged into your HelloFresh with your accounts relating to these. And with that being said guys, enter your email address over here, and of that enter your password over here which you had registered on HelloFresh at the time of creating your account. But if you've forgotten your password, you can always retrieve it from here where it says the forgot password. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to reset your password. And with that being said guys, after entering your email address and your password, simply click on the login button available over here, and then you'll be signed into your HelloFresh account online on your computer. And the guys, this is how to log into your HelloFresh account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.